This week, we are diving into one of Ghana's iconic dishes, okra soup with banku made from scratch. Let's get started. For our ingredients for the okra, we use garden eggs, onions, fresh tomatoes, onga shrimp seasoning cube, ginger, garlic and onion powder, fresh salmon, mushrooms, fresh okra, beef, ademe leaves, also known as jute leaves, palm oil, wele, that's cowhide, momone, crabs and salt. For our banku, we will need cassava dough and corn dough. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this page so others can join. Oh, and to say hi to our backyard animal farm before we start cooking. Let's cook. We begin by adding charcoal to our 2-pole pot and lighten the fire. Pour the cassava dough into a pot, add water and mix thoroughly. Use a fine sieve to strain the mixture into another pot. This ensures a smooth consistency by removing any lumps. Add the corn dough and mix everything together. In another pot, pour in water and boil the crabs briefly to cook them. Dress the crabs by removing the indelible parts such as the gills and washing the edible sections thoroughly. Wash the beef and wele, then add them to the pot with the crabs. Add water and set it on fire to boil for a while. Wash the okra, chop it finely and add it to a pot. Slice the garden eggs, add them to the okra, pour in some water and set it on fire to boil. Wash the mushrooms and add them to the pot with the crabs, wele and beef. Allow everything to simmer together. Pick the ademe leaves, wash them and chop them into smaller pieces. Toss the steamed proteins, that's crabs, beef, mushrooms and wele on fire gently. Then add the okra and ademe leaves. Season with salt and let it continue to simmer. Back to our banku. Add some salt to taste and stir as it cooks. Continue stirring to avoid lumps. If it becomes hard, add a little water. Cover it to steam for a few minutes and then stir again until fully cooked. The banku turns creamy white when ready. Clean the salmon by removing the fins and guts. Then cut it into smaller pieces. Wash and season with our seasonings. Chop the fresh tomatoes and grind them in an earthenware bowl. Pour palm oil into a pot and heat it. Add momoni and fry briefly. The momoni gives the stew a unique, rich flavor. Add chopped onions and stir for a while. Then add the steamed fillet, crabs, beef and mushrooms. Sprinkle in the powdered pepper and natural spices, followed by salt and onga seasoning. Stir together, cover and allow it to simmer. The ground tomatoes and stir well. The stew will look colorful and rich. Finally, add the seasoned fresh salmon and allow it to cook gently. Add the boiled okra and add the mixture to the stew. Stir everything together and let it simmer for a few more minutes. Our banku is ready, and so is our sumptuous okra stew. The unpredictable. That's how you prepare okra stew with banku. You are all invited to try this dish at home. Comment below on how yours turned out and let us know if you made any twists to this recipe. Until the next episode, this is Cook with Regina. Remember, practice makes perfect. So keep exploring and mastering these delicious recipes. Don't forget to subscribe the channel for more authentic Ghanaian dishes. See you next time.